Hi there, it's Professor Monkey. We're talking about how to find the slope of a line through 2 points. Okay, so the slope, and they give slope the letter M, interestingly enough. The slope of a line through the points x1, y1, and x2, y2 can be found using the slope formula. Well, the slope M, think of it as the rise over the run. So the ratio of how much it goes up or down, that's the rise, over how much it goes left to right, the run. So the rise is the change in y, and the run is the change in x. So formula-wise, it'd be y2 minus y1, the difference in the y values. That shows us the change in the y, over x2 minus x1, the change in the x. So essentially, the slope formula is just m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's what you need to remember for the slope formula. All right, let's apply it to an example. Find the slope of the line through the points 3, 7, and 1, 4. Well, remember, a point, an ordered pair, is always in the order x, y. Doesn't matter which one of these we pick to be the first point and the second point, we're going to get the same answer if we do it correctly. But this is x and that's y. So if I pick this as my first point, this is going to be x1, that's going to be y1. Similarly, this is going to be x2, this is going to be y2. And so when I do my formula for the slope, y2 minus y1, the change in y, over x2 minus x1, the change in x, I'm going to get y2 is 4 minus y1 is 7, and then x2 is 1 minus 3. And so 4 minus 7, I get negative 3. 1 minus 3, I get negative 2. The negatives cancel out. I get 3, 2, which tells me this line goes up 3 units for every 2 units it goes left to right. But that's my slope. It's a ratio of how fast it goes up or down. If it was negative, it'd be down. But how fast in this case it goes up in relation to go left to right. Okay, that's the idea of the slope. It's an easy formula. You'll use it quite a bit. So this is one you want to memorize pretty quickly.